somewhere out there, hi, if you're watching that, there's a guy that probably is going through a divorce right now. They're probably at a low point in their life. This is the easiest thing that you can do to absolutely, literally like take your train off of one set of tracks and put it on another track. If this was $10 million, is it $10 million to work with Adrian Jules? No. Right? No. If it was $10 million to work with Adrian Jules, it would still be worth it. But whatever you think it costs, I would reach, if there's not, because you guys are pretty specialized in New York, find the Adrian Jules near you and at least hear them out, at least have a conversation. There is nothing that will change your life more. And in fact, even just the voice of what you say. I love how you said, take a look in the mirror. One of the things I always try and do for my barometer, like, am I doing the best I can in life? And I'm not saying with money or all that. I'm like, if my life was a movie, and I always think if Brad Pitt was playing me, but it apparently maybe be Jason Statham or something with my stupid haircut and beard. But I always think, would the lead character in this movie be wearing this crap?
I like that.
You know what I mean? And it's like, does the lead character in this movie have to have, and I realize I have a problem, 452 sport coats? No. But I could have the exact same life that I have right now. Give me 4 sport coats, 4 suits, some nice tailored jeans, and I'm still the same. I still can command all the respect that I can.
For sure. I couldn't agree with
I wouldn't want to give up the 400 coats, but I got those because I would go out and somebody's like, man, that's an awesome jacket. Is that pick stitching? Man, that's so cool. You look so, by the way, if you notice his buttons, show them the buttons if you guys can see. See how these are undone? Once I started getting my clothes made, I realized these buttons, you can, if it's made well, you can actually unbutton it. And other people notice that. Right? And they're like, wow, that's a really cool outfit. Where did you get that outfit? And it's like, whatever you invest in the outfit, I'm telling you, if nothing else happens, you're going to feel so darn good about yourself. And we don't know how much time we have on this earth. There's no point in walking around in a damn puffy vest when somebody could be going, man, you look really nice. That's a really sharp jacket. How do I get my husband one of those jackets? Which I'm sure you hear all the time.
Yeah, all the time.
I'm not saying it to brag. I hear it all the time too. That's the good stuff in life. Yeah. Like, it's nice to get those compliments.